Danke bafethu. Another big opportunity bayigejile laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. This time around-ke ibhola liwele kubani? KuKwinika bafethu. Into bekumele ayenze nje ukulithinta ibhola libone target, it was a goal. But ulithintile over the top. Bheka nje ukuthi ukuphi la iposition yakhe ukuthi kanjani bafethu. There is no reason ukuthi ahluleke ukukora I mean kule space lesakuso bafethu. Thinta ibhola nje kuphela. But-ke alibhawunsanga nokubounce just yena ulikhiphe engathi uyali-clear-a laphana emuva. But-ke i-defender obvious nalo beliza laphana kuye bazama ukumstopha. But-ke try and get the ball to be on target bafethu. I mean that's just a goal all over it. It's written a goal bafethu. There is no way goalkeeper save le moment lena. But again kwenzekile. But at the same time singasho ukuthi umfowethu i-defender, so maybe akanayo leyo nto i-accuracy yokuthi ashaya amabhola kahle. But like keep the ball down. That's it. Keep the ball down. Kaizer Chiefs iya-leader, iya-celebrate. That's it. But he was not able to keep the ball down. But yeah, it's the nature of the game. Izinto ezisoziyenzeka. But-ke ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu kwenzeka. Kusho ukuthi every game bazoba ne-big moment and then bahluleke ukuyishaya laphana kuyikora. Yeah, what a story. What a story bafethu. Considering the fact that just few days back babe nenye big moment bayigejile nalena uvele la phezu kwepali. Imagine ula, like there's nothing like you can protect the ball ngoba bakuthinta ipenalty lo muntu lo osemuva. Njengoba ngishilo bafethu ukuthi there's no reason ukuthi umfowethu laphana ahluleke ukukora leya moment le. But-ke njengoba bengishilo ukuthi i-defender mhlampe singamxolela ngoba uyi-defender. Able to create opportunities every game, yes, but not able to bury those opportunities. They have to work on that. By the way, nabo kuma-conference they keep saying ukuthi we have to work on finishing nama-coach nama-player. But are they working on finishing enough? Hey, asazi bafethu, you just have to wait and see. Siloke sibabukela sibabona. But a big moment of the game. Danko bafethu. Ngicela ningakhohlwa bafethu uku-like and subscribe, is making sure ukuthi le page liyakhula bafethu lifika ku-15,000 subscribers.